2.5D animation is a mix of 2D and 3D. It uses flat 2D images but arranges them in layers to create a sense of depth and space. This makes the visuals look like they have 3 dimensions without being fully 3D. The image is separated into different layers, such as the foreground and background. These layers are moved independently using camera tricks like zooming, panning, and tilting. This creates the illusion that the scene has depth and that the camera is moving through it. There are 2.5D techniques like parallax. The background moves slower than the foreground, along with shadows and lighting. It adds realism and makes the flat images appear more lifelike and three-dimensional. One big advantage of 2.5D is that it is cheaper and faster to produce than full 3D animation. It uses simpler 2D assets but still looks dynamic and visually interesting. Because of this, it is popular for explainer videos, marketing, games, and documentaries. Common software like Adobe After Effects is used to create 2.5D animations by layering images and animating camera movements. This technique allows creators to bring static images to life with a 3D feel, without the complexity of full 3D modeling and rendering. In summary, 2.5D digital video effect cleverly uses layered 2D images and camera moves to simulate depth, giving videos a rich, 3D-like look while keeping production simple and affordable.